Forget the protein powder hype. Real food builds real muscle. The right meals give your body everything it needs: the protein to grow, the carbs to power your workouts, and the healthy fats to recover faster and stay strong. Today, we're breaking down 12 of the most powerful muscle-building foods, backed by science, easy to find, and proven to help you gain strength naturally. So if you're serious about building muscle without wasting money on supplements, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's fuel your gains the natural way. Let's dive in. 1. Eggs. Eggs are one of the best complete protein sources on Earth. They're packed with amino acids, vitamins B and D, and minerals like zinc and iron, all crucial for strength and recovery. The yolk isn't the enemy. It contains healthy fats and natural cholesterol that support testosterone production and muscle growth. 2. Lean beef. Beef is loaded with high-quality protein, creatine, and B vitamins, everything your muscles crave after a tough workout. Choose lean or grass-fed cuts to get more nutrients and less fat. Beef helps you maintain testosterone levels and supports steady muscle gain. 3. Chicken breast. A bodybuilding classic for a reason. Chicken breast offers around 26 grams of lean protein per serving. It's low in fat, rich in B vitamins, and helps repair muscle tissue after intense training. If you want clean, consistent muscle growth, chicken should be a staple in your diet. 4. Salmon. Salmon delivers protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and improve recovery. Omega-3s also boost muscle protein synthesis, helping your body use amino acids more efficiently. Eat salmon a few times a week for strength, joint health, and endurance. 5. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds your muscles while you sleep. It's perfect before bed or as a snack to prevent muscle breakdown and keep your body in an anabolic state overnight. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt combines fast and slow-digesting proteins, whey and casein, making it great for both pre- and post-workout fuel. It has more protein than regular yogurt and also provides calcium for bone strength. 7. Milk. Milk offers the perfect mix of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. It contains both whey and casein, plus amino acids like glutamine that promote muscle recovery. A glass after your workout helps replenish energy and repair tissue naturally. 8. Brown rice. Brown rice might not be high in protein, but its complex carbs are vital for sustained energy. It fuels your workouts and helps your body use protein more effectively for growth. Whole grains like rice keep you performing strong in the gym. 9. Quinoa. Quinoa is a powerhouse of slow-digesting carbs, protein, and minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. It supports energy production, recovery, and muscle contractions, especially important for athletes and lifters. 10. Beans. Beans are an underrated muscle food. They're packed with plant protein, fiber, and nutrients like iron and magnesium that support muscle repair and overall health. They're also budget-friendly, great for anyone building muscle on a tight plan. 11. Peanuts. Peanuts offer protein, healthy fats, and plenty of calories for those trying to bulk up. They're rich in leucine, a key amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. A handful a day keeps energy levels high and muscles fueled. 12. Spinach. Spinach contains glutamine, a vital amino acid for lean muscle growth and recovery. It's also rich in iron and calcium, which strengthen bones and improve performance. Add it to smoothies, omelets, or salads for an easy nutrition boost. Muscle growth isn't just about how hard you train. It's about how smart you fuel. When you combine consistent workouts with real, nutrient-dense foods, your body rewards you with strength, energy, and lasting performance. Which of these foods are already part of your routine? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and let's fuel your gains the natural way. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.